How many goals does a player need to score to achieve a hat-trick in football? 2, 3, 4, 5. The correct answer is 3. What is the name of the melon with green flesh? Cantaloupe, honeydew, watermelon, Galia. The correct answer is honeydew. How many years make up one millennium? 100, 500, 1000, 10,000. The correct answer is 1000. After earning a master's degree, what is the next higher academic degree you can pursue? Bachelor's degree, doctorate, PhD, diploma, associate degree. The correct answer is doctorate, PhD. Which country shares borders with 14 nations and spans across 8 time zones? China, Russia, Canada, India. The correct answer is Russia. Which company owns the gaming brand Xbox? Sony, Nintendo, Microsoft, Sega. The correct answer is Microsoft. At what temperature do Celsius and Fahrenheit scales show the same reading? -40 degrees, 0 degrees, -20 degrees, 32 degrees. The correct answer is -40 degrees. What do Americans often call a single-story, long, low house design? Colonial house, ranch house, duplex, villa. The correct answer is ranch house. Which artist's song was prominently featured in the promotion of Mission Impossible Fallout? The Killers, Panic, At the Disco, 21 Pilots, Imagine Dragons. The correct answer is Imagine Dragons. If you used the ringgit as a payment system, which country would you be in? Malaysia, Pakistan, India, Thailand. The correct answer is Malaysia. In beer pong, what's the rule called when a single cup stands alone? Lone cup rule, island rule, solo cup rule, one cup challenge. The correct answer is island rule. What city name can be found on every continent? London, Paris, Rome, Athens. The correct answer is Rome. Which luxury car brand is most associated with James Bond? Ferrari, Bentley, Aston Martin, Jaguar. The correct answer is Aston Martin. Which insect has the shortest lifespan? Butterfly, mayfly, mosquito, housefly. The correct answer is mayfly. Tarawa is the capital city of which country, known for its stunning atolls and remote Pacific location? Kenya, Congo, Lebanon, Kiribati. The correct answer is Kiribati.